Hey folks, Mark from the Safe House. It's destruction day here at the Safe House. So we're going to take this brand new VAULTEK DS5i and do a destruction test on it. But first I wanted to tell you some of the features. Really nice unit. You can charge your phone, 2 charging pads on here. Put your phone there, it charges it. Got a biometric, keypad entry, override lock, and then of course you can always sync it with the VAULTEK secure phone app. So we're going to do a destruction test on this, and I'll show you. This is an operable unit. You take that cable out of there, throw it over there. So this is an operable unit. We'll open it one more time. Maybe. What did we set this? Oh, there it goes. So there, functional unit, and I don't know, this thing's pretty heavy, and on some of my other destruction tests, Mr. Producer, what did we do, 10 times? 10 times, right? So we're going to throw this down 10 times and see if it survives. So you ready? Got my safety glasses on, all you OSHA people out there. You ready? So we'll count this down. Here we go. Oh, this pains me to destroy a brand new unit. So that's 2. Oh, 2. There's 2 right there. Oh, nope. So let's see. Come over here. So it bent it up pretty good. It didn't release though. So the VAULTEK. Whew. That's a little workout. The VAULTEK DS5, or what is it? DS5i survived the Safe House torture test. Great product, works great, lasts a long time, and survived the Safe House torture test. I don't know if I'm going to survive this. It looks I'm going to pass out or something. So if you have any questions about VAULTEK products, give one of our 3 locations a call. Go to the website right down there, thesafehouse.com, and like and subscribe our videos, please. And y'all have a safe day.